welcome back.
Welcome back. And we have our green screen, huh?
I love what you've done to the place.
Thank you.
Thank
you. It's there's so much more room in here now.
I know. And you know what? I got to say, I know you hate clutter.
Yes.
But this is a bit extreme.
They've called me extreme before. Yes, you just get rid of everything. So we're in our office that has nothing in it anymore except our green screen. And you know why we have a green screen, Linda?
No.
Because we now have our first person working in our production.
Yes, we do.
Right? So let's see what Victoria Drew, shout out to Victoria Drew.
Hey, George.
Our green screen, huh? Yeah.
Never know what to expect, right?
Never. Well, what's today's topic,
Today,
Linda?
we're going to talk about exercise.
Okay.
Yep. I know a bunch of people just want to swipe, right? But here's the thing. It's a matter of, I'm always about keeping it simple.
Yep.
And so you think about, okay, how much exercise realistically did you do yesterday? With what's going on right now, being stuck in the homes and not being able to get out as much and stuff, people are sitting a lot more than they should. There's an old proverb that if you walk 100 steps after every meal, you will live 100 years. So my prop today, my feet.
Okay, got it. That was
all right.
Perfect.
Thank you. All right, so it really is that simple because one complete step, so boom, boom, pumps all of your lymph. And the lymph system is our vacuum cleaner. So it is what will clean out the garbage that's building up. So that's why movement is so important.
Sure.
Right, because you got this garbage, but you got to get it moving and then you got to get it out.
Yeah.
So that's where just 100 steps. So it literally is as simple as standing up after you eat, walk 50 steps, and then come back, all right? I know in my house, I've got stairs, there's 15 stairs. So I'll do that up and down 3 times, and then I figure by the time I get to the sofa again,
sure,
it's 100 steps.
Yeah.
I did have someone call me one time, and she said, you know, Linda, my place is kind of small. Is it all right if I change directions, you know? Come on, all right? But yes, you can, you know? And even people they'll call me up and say, well, we're at Baker Square, don't be pissed, you know, we had some pie, but we made sure we walked 100 steps to the car.
Yeah.
So it really is that simple.
Yeah.
100 steps.
And it's not really exercise, it's just
yeah.
You know, because you hear the word exercise, and again, even though I was joking, I was like, oh, man, you know, but it's not. It's just, okay, it makes sense. You know what? When you're done eating, just make sure you're actually moving the body to create that, to get the lymph system, like you said, working in there, versus eating and going to the couch, watching TV, which is the worst thing to do.
Right.
I can do that. I can eat while I walk.
There you go.
See? Look at that.
You're
Kill 2 birds with one
multitasking.
stone. Absolutely,
Wow, I'm
absolutely.
impressed. Okay.
Well, good. Okay. Well, I'm good. I'm going to be walking a little bit more than 100 steps today, so I think we're okay then.
Good.
Got
Excellent.
it. All right. Till next week. We'll see you next week.
Simple. Stay healthy.